Right, good evening. It's the 17th of September. As you can probably can't see a lot. That's my shadow, but there is no chickens in this pen anymore. And one good reason for that, because the male has gone. He's been rehomed. So all I've got is the silver lace wyandotte female. She's going to go in with the breeding trio as soon as it gets dark. It starts getting dark here about 7:30, so it's 6 o'clock now, so I might do it today. The grass is growing lovely and well. I did some cutting grass the other day. So she's over this side. Yeah, I've been a bit slack in doing videos. Oh yeah, I was thinking what I was doing then. So the gals I hatched this year are in with the main flock. That's where they're gonna that's where they're gonna live. I think they're all settled in now. There they are, there they are, look. There they are, two. So they're all settled in with the main flock now. And one of the mums, I can't remember what it is. But yeah, they're in the main flock. They should start laying soon. Another couple of months maybe. Yeah, so I'm quite pleased with both our females. Yeah, so yeah, they're both females. I'm not going to check. You know what's under here? Nothing. So you bring it out here, they're not interested. That's where I have my rat trap. You can see where they go though, look. Down, up. Yeah, no more rats. Oh, again there's freak on. Right, so yeah, that's it for a second. Oh, hello gals. Oh, it's rained up here. We're getting this tail end of the storm here. It's a little bit windy. I'll put some fresh straw in here. I had to buy some straw. So only 3 eggs, annoyingly. Hey? Oh, that's a bit pathetic. I was hoping a bit more. So I added her to the wyandotte flock. I thought I'd distract them with a bit of corn. So there, with a bit of corn. And she's over there. Still thinking she'll be okay. It's not dark yet, and they're not even in the house. I want to go home. I just got to let her get on with it, I think. Here we go, here we go. Looking pretty cool. Here we go, here we go. This is a bit I don't like. I may just grab a bit back in there. What are you doing, Hank? Go on then. Yeah, I'm gonna put him out. Where's she gone? Oh. Yeah, lost her. I've lost her. You're looking as well. She's got out the gate. Oh. Alright, I know where she is. Oh, there she is. There's lots of frickin'. That's why they were looking under the mouth. Get battered. I don't know how I get battered. Come on then. I got her. Oh. She was under the house. Where did you go? No, I'm not gonna put you through it just yet. Put it down. Go on then. I've got her. She's a nice pretty girl as well, isn't you? It's only still 20 past, oh, still 20 past 7. So I put her in here, she'll be right. There we go. There she is. Right, there's a short video of today. That's it. Thanks for watching. So, I chat for a while. I'm just leaving the chickens now. So it's 7:30. It's not quite really dark enough for the chickens to be in bed. So I may have to wait until, or I'll just come up later one weekend night. So last night I put a video up of the rat I caught. Yeah, not very pleasant. I hate the things. They're horrible. They're really horrible. But there'll be a video coming out in a couple of weeks maybe. I've done some changes, more changes up there. So when I lift it, you know, my feeder was, I lifted the pallet up. There was about 10-15 rats maybe. So I'll sort that problem out, and you'll see that maybe in a week's time. So I'm just driving home now. So it's 7:30. I didn't finish work till late. So the fence as well, and the gate, I did that. I've got to do the whole lot eventually. And so that hopefully will be done before the winter. It's September the 17th, and it's not cold and wet just yet. And also I'd like to redo my pen. So I'll do the fence all the way up to the pen, do the same sort of thing, but I'll have the 8B1 at the bottom, chicken wire, and the 41 on top. Obviously I put longer, I've got 8-foot post to go on my pen, because, well, it's been up 6 years, that pen, and a lot of the posts have rotted now. So it's about time that I done the whole pen, plus the mesh, probably about that big, so the rats can get in easier. 1x1 square mesh, they're not going to get through that. So I found some mesh on the internet, 1x1 squared, so rat, well, fingers crossed a rat wouldn't get through that. So that's coming up in the next couple of months. I may have to, basically I'm going to do it around the original pen, so I can just literally build the new pen on the outside, and I don't have to worry about putting them anywhere else. A bit like what Matt did on 50 Ducks in a Hot Tub. He did the same sort of thing, built the pen expansion around his pen, and then when he finished it, he took the little pen down, and then it's easier that way. What else is coming up? So there's a surprise coming up in a week, maybe 2 weeks. I'm just still doing it, so it's taking time. Weather's against me now, obviously a lot wetter and colder, but it's nearly finished. It's just another couple of bits to do, and then it will be ready to the video will be up then. So anything else? No, that's about it really. So the nights are coming in now, so about 8 o'clock it is dark. No doubt about it, it's dark. So when I get home it should be dark. Anything else? Well, as I say, I would like more. I'm not begging for. I don't like to beg. I don't like to beg for more subscribers. For some reason, I lost some subscribers, so I'm only up to 300 subs at this present moment. So I just need you guys to press the share button, share it on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus. I think that's about it. You can share it. Don't forget, I have all the links will be in the description as well, to my Facebook group. Do you want to put high beam on or what? Yeah, it's linked at the bottom of the description of my Facebook group. Is Haynes Poultry. I don't really put videos on there very much because it's just my chicken group sort of thing. And then you got Paddy Goose Racing / or back, oh, I don't know, / YouTube number 2, because I got another one deleted. What else? Snapchat as well, add me on that. Paddy Goose Racing, but I don't think none of my subs have Snapchat. Well, I did do it anyway, so I got a Snapchat there. Facebook page said that, and I got a couple on my normal Facebook. Yes, there's a couple of you on my Facebook page, Facebook group page, whatever you call it. So I'm gonna let you go. I'm just waffling on now. Oh yeah, one more thing. I have another device for streaming. I'm hoping it's gonna work for the next season. And I can leave the phone or the device streaming my hatches. I'm thinking about getting some runner ducks. There's some runner ducks for sale in my local area, and I'm thinking about getting some because my customers want duck eggs. I love duck eggs. I've got the room at the minute, so why not? So that may be another video coming up with my runner ducks, maybe, don't know yet. Breeding, I'm not breeding nothing at the minute. I've stopped. But next year I'm hoping to do all my work this year. Still, well, and before next year, and then next season I can concentrate on a bit more breeding more. I'd like to do, how many did I do this year? Well, this year not a lot, but plus this year I'll have a bigger incubator anyway. So that's it really. My breeding will be silver lace wyandotte and jagged leghorns. I've got rid of my black cockerel, as I said in probably my last month's video. I might have said it in my last month's video. But yeah, all my black cockerels are gone. My black pullets I have sold my orange two cockerels. The last two I did this earlier. I still have wyandotte cockerel when I hatched this year. He's gone. So I ain't done too bad really, considering I've sold quite a bit. I'm nearly home. I'm hungry and I'm tired. So thanks for watching. That's if you tune. That's if you. I don't bore you within the first 2 minutes of my my little chat. So we'll do a live chat sometime. But I'm a little bit busy at the minute. I'll hopefully get around to it soon. I still have a couple more minutes. I still watch 50 ducks in a hot tub, not very often as I should really. I feel a little bit bad, but every time he goes live I miss him. Different time zones is quite hard, so I'll watch the recorded version of the video or the stream anyway. And I'm not you know, I'll watch other YouTubers on YouTube. I will admit that. I'm not just, but I still watch 50 ducks in the hot tub. And I still donate some cash every month on my PayPal, so I do try and help. I don't know what else to say really. Right, I'm going to sign off now, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share it, comment, share it, and don't forget to join my Facebook groups. There's a lot of people on Facebook. All my subscribers are on Facebook. So thumbs up my YouTube channel, Paddy Hills Racing, YouTube #2, and Snapchat's for the younger people. Well, it's not younger people, but a lot of younger people do have it. So pick me up on that, Paddy Hills Racing. Google Plus, Twitter, I'm on Twitter, Paddy Hills Racing. I'm on Twitter. Like, would you do tweet me? No? Would you join me? I've no idea about Twitter. I'm on Twitter, Paddy Hills Racing. No, I'm waffling on. What else have I got? That's it, really. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you. I'm coming out. Oh. onto the main road. That's I hope to go live very, very soon. Right, thanks for watching. Cheers.